running ay mali, right? His point, our point as a party, is that it starts with the president for the initiative to push those platforms. Ayun mismo sinabi sa amin ni Sir Eneran. We asked him, how come hindi na napupush through yung platforms namin? Sabi niya, it is in the initiative of the president. Was there a platform that had been pushed through this year? May platform ba? Wala. Diba? May box ba kayo nakikita sa labas? Wala. Kung nakikita nyo yung Freedom Wall, lahat yan, yung platforms, none of it was published. And it was in the initiative of the president. I tried to push my platform. Hindi siya nangyari.
May mga gusto talaga na matagal na gusto ng pagbabago, pero at the end of the day, it's getting killed by popularity. It's getting killed na, ay, mas kilala ko to. Rather than real skill and potential. Rather than the actual innovation initiative na i-push nyo talaga, makipag-usap kay Sir Eleran, makipag-usap kay Ms. Lunal, gumawa ng concept paper. Honestly, nakakatamad. Nakakatamad yan. Mga schoolworks pa lang nga natin, sagad na tayo, yan pa gagawin natin. Hindi ko naman sila masisisi. Pero pinili nila yung responsibilidad na ganyan. Ginusto nila. They took an oath, a panata, na to serve the people, to be the voice of the people, not just to organize events, but to ask the students, kamusta kayo, Malateyans? Sawang-sawa na ba?
Amazing person.